welcome back. In this video I'm just covering up Spell price prediction. Yes guys, Spell army going crazy right now. They're not giving up. It's still holding a millions token, and the price fluctuate too much and it's stuck in between approximately 93, 92, eventually 98 in between. So long. Just think about it. What exactly going on? So are we going higher from this price point, or are we going lower from this price point? There's a major question everyone asking. Everyone watching the graph, everyone watching every single candle right now. So what exactly I'm looking right now in a spell? Is it going higher? Is it going lower? So let's dive into the screen first. Finally it consolidated so long. So after huge and massive consolidation, we see some kind of support over here approx to the 91, and still above from the previous support, which is approx to the 89. It's just creating some swing pattern over here, just forming this kind of candle right now. Look at over here in this zone. It's just forming this type of candle, then literally pump hard. The same thing happened right now, and you can see is squeezing the price up. And if it break this smaller time frame resistance, which is approximately 93, then it literally goes higher and higher and making a lot of people rich right now. So basically I'm just waiting for the next month. I'm waiting for only 14 days, so let's see what happened next. But holding and showing some patience is a key factor to win the game in the crypto games. It's not just like you're watching the graph and it's pumping hard. No, we have to do DCA. We have to monitor the company performance. Any partnership is going on? Is there any volume is present on it? Is there any transaction is going on? And what exactly the use case? This is a use case. The transaction is happen. Basically, this coin is work on Defi, and it's providing a liquidity to the Defi protocol and project and eventually blockchain. No matter it's a DeFi one, I'm just talking about the Phantom one. If you look at the Avalanche, so these two coins have a massive amount of potential. The Phantom is clearly work on privacy, but when you get into the another one is Avalanche. Basically, this one is the future of DAO, and the decision making system is present on it. That means if the programmer deploy some kind of code or some kind of software on it, that means you don't require any kind of permission from anybody. This thing is done automatically, and there's a lot of feature in Avalanche, and these feature require some liquidity. Who's gonna provide liquidity in a huge amount? Exactly, Spell. So I'm just looking Spell and MIM. These two tokens have a massive amount of use case, just controlling all the DeFi ecosystem, and just keep rapidly in increasing their roots all over the blockchain, so they can get interest, they get some kind of transaction fees, and that fees goes into the burning process, buyback and burn. That is a common thing we see in crypto these days. This thing is built later on. It might be what happened. We see a mega rally in a spell reaching approximately $1. One more question came into mind. When it happened, when it reaching approximately $1, nothing has happened in a 1 day. Nothing has happened in 1 year. Nothing has happened in a 2 year. So it take 3 years, eventually 4 years. So 2025 end of December, I'm just looking this coin reaching approximately 50 cent to approximately $2 in between. Some kind of mega rally in next day. Eventually we goes higher and breaking this 2-time resistance area. Might be at the 4th time. I'm just looking right now. 110, eventually 112. This one is a major and massive resistance. Should need to be break it. Yeah, it's possible to break it because it consolidated so long. And if you look at the 1 day time frame, this giving a squeeze up almost 3-4 times. This is insane, and this thing is done not automatically. There's a ways manipulation. That means they're just squeezing the price, just similar like this area, because they already did that, but they are not able to break. This is possible in this scripture right now. So crazy, insane. So when it happened, this is a major question everyone asking. So you can clearly see this is the monthly candle. Now it's just turned it green, reaching approx to the this price point, approx to the 130. This is not a big deal. And might be we see some mega rally just overlap the previous, resistance and then goes higher, reaching approx to the 280, 250, 270, and then ready to blast off and reaching approx to the 300. Basically, it should need to reach approx to the 330, eventually more. So this month is going crazy right now, and it's just creating some straight line, people making a tons of money. So I'm just waiting for 15 days more, and we see some kind of mega rally in spell. So guys, the use case is just keep rising up in a spell. If you look at the liquidity pool, is massive and huge. I'm not just talk about only the Ethereum liquidity pool. It's contain a massive amount of volume. Not I'm just talk about the curve DAO. Not I'm just talk about the other phantom one. If you look at the whole ecosystem, if you look at the whole blockchain based project, those who supporting MIM, they are heavily taking benefit from the spell and also MIM. So this is the use case. We don't require any kind of team for this thing. So the volume and the supply is massive and huge, but at least we have some positive sign because this coin is literally falling down approx 7 months. So something is really big happen in this month, and Bitcoin reaching approx to the $25,000, eventually $26,000. When it reaches $26,000, something is really big happen in a spell, and we see a spell to the moon, approx to the 300. Alright guys, this is all about spell related information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe and do some comment for you to share with the family and friend. Enjoy the ride. See you next video. Take care.